What's up, you guys? This is Solomon from usecellphoneparts.com, and today we're going to be making a video on how to replace your charging port in your Nintendo 3DS. So first off, what you want to do is you want to unscrew these 4 screws, which I have done already. And so you just kind of put pressure down here and or up here at the top area, and just kind of put your fingers down here and press and kind of pull until it releases and comes out. And then once you do that, you want to remove let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, anyway, you just want to remove all these screws on this area and remove your battery here. And there's another screw right in here you want to remove. And once you do that, you can just kind of separate it and it'll pretty much come out. Now once you do that, you want to kind of be careful how you open it. You don't want to put too much pressure to pull it open, because you have these 2 ribbon cables right here and here that you will need to remove. So you just want to just put your finger or so up under it and snap it out. Now once you do that, you're pretty much all set to start to desolder the old charging port. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that real quick here. Give it a chance real quick to heat up. And if you're not comfortable with doing this type of repair, you can always send it in to us at usecellphoneparts.com. You can go on the website and contact us from there, and we'll respond back to you and get you all squared away where you can just mail it in and give you a quote and everything and fix you up. Okay, now what you're gonna need in this procedure also is I like to use some no clean flux. This is one of the better brands by MG Chemicals. You can find it off eBay. And it needs some disorder. And let's see here. And basically, in your new charging port, and a soldering hot iron, and pretty much all you will need to do this repair. So let's go ahead and get started with it. Let's see here. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing here is just kind of just removing the old charging port the best way I can here, and just kind of just desolder it and try to work it up the best way possible. Let's see. What also works is you can also use some desoldering this wick here that kind of removes it out for you. It might make it a lot easier. You can also find this on eBay. It's pretty cheap, reasonable. If you don't have. Also, you can apply pretty much whatever pressure you need to get it up, because it's going to be replaced. We're just gonna kind of clean the area up real good here before we apply the new port down.